Hello everyone. Welcome to this A2 English listening practice video. You can use this video to practice your listening and understanding. Are you ready? Let's begin. Today's topic is how to fix your life. Sometimes we feel lost. Sometimes we feel unhappy with our life. We may think, my life is a mess. But the good news is this. You can change your life step by step. First, be honest with yourself. Ask, what is not working in my life? Is it your habits? Is it your attitude? Is it how you use your time? When you know the problem, you can start to fix it. Second, start with small changes. Do not try to change everything in one day. That is too difficult. Instead, choose one small habit. For example, wake up 30 minutes earlier, or clean your room, or study English for 20 minutes every day. Small actions make big results over time. Third, stop bad habits. Maybe you sleep too late. Maybe you waste time on your phone. Maybe you always say, I will do it tomorrow. Try to reduce one bad habit first. Slowly replace it with a good habit. Fourth, set clear goals. What kind of life do you want? Write your goals on paper. Make them simple and clear. Then take action every day. Also, choose positive people. Negative people can stop your growth. Spend time with people who support you. People who encourage you can help you stay strong. Another important thing is mindset. Do not always say, I can't. Say, I will try. Believe that you can improve. Change starts in your mind. Remember, fixing your life does not happen in 1 week. It takes time and patience. Some days will be difficult, but do not give up. Every day is a new chance. You can start again today. One small step, one better decision, one positive action. Your life is in your hands. You have the power to change it. That's all for today. What is one small change you can make today? See you in the next video.